So here's the tutorial on how to do the multiplicity assignment. I've already photographed 4 pictures in preparation for this. The camera was on the tripod, and so I had Leslie move to different parts of the picture so you can see what it looks like. Here's a Here's one of Leslie sitting on the left in the chair. The next one is over here. She's pointing. And this third one, she's holding a camera, taking a picture, presumably of herself in the chair. Alright, so for the Photoshop part of this work, we're going to launch Photoshop. And then we're going to go to File, Scripts, Load Files into a stack. So I'm going to browse to the desktop where the files of Leslie are, and then I'm going to select the first and the last one, hold down the shift button and hit open. Then I'll hit OK. Once it opens up, you'll see in the layers palette I will have the 4 pictures, 1, 2, 3, and 4 of Leslie right here. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna select the top picture and add a layer mask. Then you'll do the same to the next picture underneath and add a layer mask, and then the third one and add a layer mask, and then the fourth one add a layer mask. Then we'll go up to the first layer and click on it, and then we're gonna use the brush tool and paint with black. We're gonna paint with black so that we will remove Leslie from the chair. Once we've done that, we're going to click on the layer mask and then do Command I to invert the mask. Then you see that one appears. Next, we're going to click on the layer mask of the second picture, and then we're going to erase this Leslie. So I'll paint with black again, and there she is. She's gone. Once she's gone, I'll click on the second layer mask below and do Command I to invert that. And so it's so on, and so I'll click on the third layer, and this time I'm going to erase this Leslie. Once I erase this Leslie, there's only one Leslie left. So I'm going to click on the layer mask there and do Command I again, and this will reveal the fourth Leslie that's sitting there. Okay, that's really it. So now that this is done, I can do File, Save As. I'll save it as a Photoshop file if I wanted to. In this case, I'll just say it's Peter Pan, and then multiplicity, and I'll save it as a PSD so that the layers are intact. The layers are intact. That means I can come back and edit these if I want. But to submit it to me for the assignment, you're going to go back to File, Save As, and this time you're going to save it as a JPEG. And then hit Save, and then the JPEG is the one that you're going to turn in. This one. The JPEG is the version that you're going to turn in. Google Classroom does not like Photoshop documents, the PSD. They are just too big. That's it.